Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some Volcano Fries. Alright, we're going to make up the sauce for this. What I have in my little food processor is about a cup of plain yogurt and 2-3 chipotle chilies, along with some of the adobo sauce. I don't know, I guesstimated the sauce, so it's just somewhere between a tablespoon and a half a tablespoon. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. And then 1 clove of minced garlic. And then the juice of 1 lime. And then put on the top, activate the food processor, and then give this about a minute, maybe 2, to get all incorporated with one another. And then just pour it in a bowl, and that's it. Leave it in the fridge to chill out and let the flavors marry for about an hour. All right, let's move on to everything else that should be common sense. All right, we're pretty much at assembly. I decided for this dish, there isn't really any like hard and fast rule. I just decided to go with some waffle fries. Again, shoestring, regular, crinkle if you like it for whatever reason because you're weird, or sweet potato fries that do just fine. And then you want to add some bacon bits to this. How do you make bacon bits? Chop up some bacon, throw it in a pan, fry it up. All right, and then you want to add some cheddar cheese to this, and then pop this into a 300-degree oven for just a couple of minutes, basically just as the cheese starts to melt. Oh, we're not done yet, though. Okay, now as you can see, the cheese is just starting to melt. Again, you don't want to go too much. And no, it's not because I'm afraid of the heat. This is going back into the oven. You could do this with a microwave if you like, but I don't know. I think the oven does a better job. And then you want to add some taco meat. Whatever taco meat recipe you like. So it could be from the packets, or you can make your own seasoning. Doesn't matter. A couple of scoopfuls of taco meat. And then we want to add some pick sticks to this. These are little shoestring potato stick things. These are sold in either A, the snack aisle, or B, along with where the French's fried onions are. This is one of the items that it actually depends on the store, but most Target, Walmarts, whatever, will have them. Going to give a little dab of hot sauce. If you want to get brand specific, I'm using Louisiana hot sauce, Frank's Red Hot sauce. Then a little dab of sour cream. And then some more cheese. And let's pop this into the oven one more time. Again, you want to go till the cheese is, kind of starting to melt. Okie dokie, I pulled it out of the oven, maybe a little prematurely, but I was still happy with the end product. And then we're just going to slather on some of that volcano sauce, and that's it. Volcano fries. Done.